Do you want to start a faceless YouTube channel?
Huh?
Here are 25 unique channel ideas where you can grow and earn lots of money without showing your face. And yeah, these aren't like top 10 videos ideas which are hard to make videos about. Top 10 videos ideas, honestly, it is time consuming. Plus, can't be affordable most of the time. So at the end of the video, I attached bonus niches, so make sure to watch till the end. Tarot card and astrology. Huh? Don't be confused. This channel idea can earn you around $26.5k per month. For example, this amazing channel which has 1.86 million subscribers only by uploading a few videos that will gain you tons of regular views each single day. Also, this channel, The Wheel of Fortune, which without showing face earns around $3k per month. And this channel also, Rishabh Shrivastava, who earns a lot of money by showing people's hand and reading them and earns around $3,000 per month. Another channel idea, kids channel. You can create a channel for kids like Cocomelon channel, which is one of the biggest channels for kids. Same thing, Dream Toon channel, which shares cartoon animated videos and earns from $5k to $85,000 per month. Creating videos like this is so easy, and you can make them using your own phone also, and make money without showing your face. 3. Movies. If you are addicted to movies and serial series, so this niche is only for you. Like Movies Bolt, this movie channel earns around $3,000 per month. And also look at these movies channels also. All of them are earning around $5k to $84k per month. The good thing about this niche is evergreen niche, so you can make money from the same content even after 5 years. And don't forget, affiliate. Reviewing some products make you money up to $4,000 per month. And like reviewing some products and adding them affiliate links in the description, so whenever someone comes and buy from these links, you can make money easily. So come on, pick a niche and start making money by sharing product links and affiliating some products and make money without showing your face. AI, artificial intelligence. You can pick this channel idea and make a whole YouTube channel about AI and make at least $3,600 per month. This channel has been published 4 months before. It covers a lot of topics about AI. Share or upload videos about AI websites and AI tools which are so useful, and people are using them to make them life more easier than before, and talk about the performance of these websites and share them with people in your channel so you can make money easily. And of course, you don't need to show your face to make money on this niche. Experiment. If you're in love with making videos like this, so you can share your videos ideas like fun science, which do the same as say Mr. Hacker, who earns around $10k per month. And the fun fact is, you don't even need to use a voiceover on these videos to create curiosity inside them and make a lot of fun and earnings by sharing like these videos. Specialized explanation. Economic Explained, this channel gains over than 2 million subscribers only by sharing economic videos and earns up to $16,000 per month. This channel talks about worldwide economic and how people earning in such countries. So imagine how easy and fast you can grow this channel and make a lot of money only by sharing videos. Relationships niche. Those advices that you used to give to your friends free, share them on YouTube, on social media, and make money. Like Social Psychology Master, this channel earns from $14k to $83,000 per month. only by sharing and uploading relationships and dating advices. And if you'd like to scale your earnings in this niche, get affiliate links of dating products and make money by affiliating them. This channel is faceless channel and uses AI in the videos and audios. Health and wellness. Health is a big industry, so if you're good at making videos about building muscles, so you can earn easily up to $10,000 per month. This channel uses stock photos, stock images, stock videos in its own YouTube videos, so it earns more than using the brain. And you can double your income if you share affiliate links in your videos descriptions. Personal development niche. Improvement channel gains more than 3 million subscribers and earns more than $10,000 per month. And the good thing is you can make videos about self-improvement easy and fast, as same as Brain Dose, which gains more than 100 million subscribers. And this niche easy to find content about. You can cover lots of topics, for example, from self-patience to self-productivity. And if you use a little animation, so you can outbeat lots of competitors. Philosophy. A lot of people admire philosophy, like Philosophy for Life. This channel gains more than 1 million subscribers and earns more than $3,800 monthly. Investment and finance. Finance is the most profitable niche that you can earn a lot of money without showing your face. And practical wisdom is the best example for this niche that shares awesome videos about this niche and earns more than $52,000 monthly from $3,000. Practical Wisdom channel uses stock images in its videos, and you can use graphics and animations to increase your channel engaging and beat your competitors easily. Celebrity niche. Rumored channel is a channel which shares rumors and news about celebrities, so it's earning up to $2,500 per month. In this niche, they use celebrities clips, mixing with them voice and making video about celebrities news. Stories. Mr. Nightmare uses some footage mixed with lovable stories, and because it's awesome niche idea, this channel gains more than 6 million subscribers and earns up to $37,000 per month. And this channel also do the same thing and earns more than $67 per month. That means you can earn more money by telling people stories, but you need a good voiceover with good volume and sound effects. And yeah, you can use your phone also to record your voices and then add them to your videos. Motivation. Motivation is one of the highest CPM and the easiest niche. For example, Motiversity. This channel shares motivational videos, making some edits and using some titles and subtitles, then makes money up to $30,000 monthly. But this channel uses its own voiceover and make money around $15,000 per month. Imagine, you can make easily these kind of videos with voiceover using AI. Don't forget adding some effects and sound effects also. News niche. You have two things to pick in this niche: either cover world news like Economist channel and monthly earn around $10,000, or narrow down and focus on only YouTuber news and earn around $160,000 per month. Exploring. Topia. This channel shares videos telling people about city's best places. This channel uses in each single video free images and videos, most of them from Google, and earns monthly up to $6,000. So you can pick this niche, telling people about best or wonderful places in some cities and make money. Book summary. people want to read books but they get bored quickly or don't have much time. This channel, Readers Book Club, targets those kind of people and makes summaries of popular books and earns monthly $6,000. Same thing, this channel earns $12,000 per month. The both channels uses stock images and subtitles to tell book summaries, and now with AI you can find the book summary easy and fast. And the good thing is you can find lots of contents that last forever and make for you money. Another niche, riddle and quiz. 7-second riddles channel gains 4 million subscribers only by sharing riddles and earns monthly $29,000 uploading these videos. And the most good thing is you don't need to show your face or put a voice. Just take a free copyright video and use it. Plus you can find your riddle from Quora or use your imagination to create or generate these kind of quizzes and earn money monthly $3,000. Facts. Fact channel uses stock images for facts videos and earns monthly $29,000. Plus it gains millions of views and subscribers. And after your videos got viral, then you can show your face like Gaurav Thakur. Gaming, the most easiest niche ever that you can dive in it and share lots of contents without showing your face, like this channel, which earns from $21,000 to $340,000. This niche has high CPM. Oh my god, so profitable. Crypto niche. Crypto is not out of trend at all. It has its own views till now. In this channel, modern investor shares daily news about crypto and its highs and lows and earns till $1,000 per month. Imagine, and you can boost your earnings by sponsorships. Plus you don't need to show your face or do some blah blah blah. Just upload videos and make money as fast as it is. Tech niche. This niche doesn't require show your face at all. Like this channel, You Fact Tech. This channel shares news and reviews about new tech and earns from that up to $162, most of them from affiliate marketing. Software tutorial, Code with Harry, GFX Mentor, Zizo. These are the best examples for this niche. You can teach people tips and tricks about softwares, then earn more than $79,000 per month. How to niche, the most searchable thing on YouTube. How to pick a niche, and also how to tie a tie. This channel gains lots of subscribers and earns per month up to $20,000. You can pick like this something unique and earn a lot of money. Art and craft niche. This channel teaches how to use paper to make some arts and things with paper and earns up to $3,000 monthly. Same thing with DP Art Idea, which shares useful videos and earns more than $12,000 monthly. Imagine. In this niche, you don't need to show your face or only you need to show your hands to make the video. Plus you don't need to talk also. Only mention the steps by editing the video or adding subtitles. In this video, I have mentioned 27 niches which are the most profitable niches in the industry. Niche is so important to pick to grow faster and build audience and make money. Then there are more steps to follow to grow on YouTube and be a YouTuber. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.